Hi YouTube. Uh, Today I am playing Domination on Solera with the intervention heartbeat sensor, and I'm using starting power, steady aim, and sleight of hand pro. Well, I'm going to feel so what I do there is not suicide. Daft old me, you know. I see this guy at Mustang get him, simple kill. He gets the hit mark on this guy. The DMB, I would say, is really good weapon. He not the best to Kimbo. This guy in Mustang again for the double. Should have went for the revenge kill. That's the thing about this. Pick up the vector blinks. That's the thing about this game. If you go with the people will spawn, then 9 out of 10 times you'll probably die. And people that hide next to that bin don't actually realise that that's not a good cover, because people can just run right through that bin and just snipe you. And I've got my first pair of missiles, and my loadout for this game is straight up missile, precision airstrike and fire strike. The predator strike, no, precision strike is just an airstrike from COD 4, Modern Warfare 1. It's just from there, so they've really increased the power of it. And what we've tried to do here is secure the B and C so they spawn off the back. Dog's barking down still. You hear it in the background. I got up here. I'll say another thing about my accuracy with the snipers for up. Usually I'd be shooting like 5-6 bullets. I'm going to be hitting one. Well, probably hit about 4 out of 6 bullets. Here's an example. That guy jumped off. I wasn't going to try that. First kill with the sniper, I believe. What about my heartbeat sensor? See the way I look to find people is, I look at my heartbeat sensor, radar, and then screen, rather than just look at the radar and then my heartbeat sensor and my screen. And I don't see this guy either. This guy just walks right behind me and I walk right into him. And he just appears as well. See, the reason I prefer context to grenades is grenades roll in this game. COD 4 they just do still, but in COD Modern Warfare 2 they actually roll, so that's not a guaranteed success on blowing up the enemy if that happens. My team are dying quite a lot, so someone's managed to get a 6 and 7 kill streak. So the guy can't do here. That's an easy kill. Easy enough. Alright, ammo here. I haven't got the assist suit. I don't even know how I managed to get the assist suit side there. I don't even know what he did. Just me sitting with the heartbeat sensor looking at loads of people. As I said, my ability of doing this now, don't lie, I've just really learned how to control the intervention. It's all about timing. If you don't time it right, then you're useless. I always got to snipe that guy, but nah, went goal, which was a bad move, in my opinion. I get the myself for my second term or two. I won't spoil my KD, but it's quite good in this game. Not in my other playthrough, so I only get like 16, 17, no, 16, 17, 6, 7. I try to get a double there myself, there it doesn't work, and I get precision airstrike. And that guy just dies in front of my face. That's another thing that I've gotten quite a lot in COD 4 while as well. is that guy just killed you, you would die, right? He would just die as soon as he killed you, and like, any sooner, I'd like, I mess with this failed snipe there. He fought the first one, I thought not managed to snipe. I got my first airstrike. I just went up here randomly, I don't really care too much. Airstrike holding by Jimmy Wilson. And we'll do a straight out. To a couple of people. Steve-O in my last game, my last commentary, and Casper. Hi guys, you're another deal. And this guy, he sues me, but I don't see him. He's got the M16. He comes in the corner with a striker. I've got no chance. He's got a missile as well. I see this. I'm like, oh god, this is the end for me. It's kind of fun, which is really awkward because missiles also for me. I killed double kill there with like RSC Cam didn't kill him. I switch between what systems I like to play on. The PS3 is good it is quite good to play on, but Xbox I feel more enjoyable because I have a lot more of my friends on Xbox and I've got a higher rank of stuff. The inch kill here, bad news. Walk up here, go for the grenade. He knows I'm already coming back to him. He just goes in there anyway. He does it for me. That guy doesn't look at me. That's a thing. Line fighting. If you don't watch where your team is dying, you may as well just sign a post saying, look, kill me now. That was me for the 3 kills and 5 bullets they have really up my game. Anyone that says I'm not, then I can 1v1 you or something. We're on 85 to 64 in domination. The PFP, I'll go on a bit more about this. Very good win. Minimum recoil would say out of most of the wins. This actual has like 0 recoil on the win. For some machine, this guy's blind. Doesn't see me. Jamie Wilson tries to get that kill there. I'll just take that off and like, no you don't. I really should have put that straight on top of me. That was my dog barking, now I'm shooting the dog. The reason you can hear that in the background is because my settings are quite high. Because I did this is my 4th attempt at commentary in it. And ultimately I've just got tired of my voice being too low, or me not setting the output, which is how I record. It's basically like my dad's will record output, so I just record me talking into a mic. The reason I can't do this with Xbox because it takes a long time, because you can only record a certain amount of time. Anyway, that's the end of the game. My KD is 2 seconds, let me just see, is 2909, 010, sorry, and this has been Shutdown XE. Comment, rate and subscribe. Bye.